Don't you love when an OG sneaker doesn't die besides a Jordan? Me too. Shout out to Social Status. Yes, sir, man. Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And today we are reviewing the Social Status Penny Ones Air Max. Did y'all know these was an Air Max? I owned this sneaker 4 or 5 times. I never knew it was an Air Max. I just always considered it a Penny Hardaway. But when you talking Penny Hardaway, you know we talking about the iconic Foamposite, man. I sold a lot of them on eBay, but the ones that held like memory to me, I really kept. So you got the cancer joints, the eggplants. These are a newer release, but I wore these to my baby shower, so these will always be here. And of course, the Royal Blue. Man, icy, man. One that I didn't mention was Yeezy Foams. Y'all remember this? Yeezy Foams. Glow in the dark, infrared. These were crazy. A Social Status released the Air Max 1 Penny. And they actually came back out 2 weeks ago in just the regular one. But Social Status did some things to this that we're going to talk about and review in-depthly. Social Status, if you don't know, is a store in, I want to say, South Carolina or North Carolina, Charlotte, and they came out with the Jordan 6 for the All-Star Weekend with the pony here. I owned it. I did a review on it. I'll find it in the archives. I'll put it up there, but I really wasn't feeling the shoe. When they came back with a collab, they kind of caught my attention, and that was the free lunch joints. This is my son box. I actually sold mine. I didn't like the look, the mid-cut look, as far as the dunk, but my son kept his. So yeah, classic shoe. Let's get into an in-depth review right now. Unboxing time. So you got a little bit of a composition notebook. Oh, no. You got a teacher chalkboard look with chalk writing all over it. And it reads, "The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. Nike Social Status, Nike Social Status." That's about it. And that's all over the box, guys. In the middle of the box, you do see the Nike Social Status logo. And like I don't know what you want to say, a clear reflective look. The back has all the bells and whistles. You know the vibes. When you flip open the box, this is why I probably said composition notebook. You have a loose leaf paper with the Social Status logo all through there. So I guess again they're going like teacher look and school look. So yeah, they always keep it like teacher. As I'm recording this video now, they're doing a giveaway, and they're releasing a sneaker again in a Photon Dust colorway for back to school special. So they always keep it school look. And let's start with the right shoe. So here's the 360 view of the Air Max 1 penny by Social Status. Let's get that out the way so y'all can really get an in-depth review of this. Now, if you've seen 1 penny, Air Max 1, you kind of seen them all. But as I'm diving deeper into this sneaker, I kind of see this panel here. It reminds me of the Jordan 10. And look, see how the suede changes the color, goes from light to dark. So that's what reminded me of the Jordan 10 off the back. But let's start here. Boom. The swoosh here is a baseball, right? That gotta resemble baseball. It comes with a whole bunch of different color swooshes and styles that mimics every sport. So you got the basketball there, the baseball's in there. What else we have here? I see a lime green one, so that has to be tennis. What else? I see a red one. Yeah, it's just really colors there. But if we talking about sports, you got the baseball one there, the football pigskin one there, and the tennis one there. I don't really see nothing that will resemble basketball. But there go your swooshes. The toe box, you got a nice mini swoosh bubble right there on top of the nubuck suede. The whole sneaker is black nubuck suede. Definitely 90s vibe. Gives me Green Hill Fila vibes also, man. There go your 1 cent logo on the tongue. And we have a clip button on the shoelace. The click button doesn't read anything. No logo, no branding. But you come up here to this nice pull tab on the tongue to bring out your 1 cent better, and a nice white and black color blocking. Getting to the back of the shoe, there go your Social Status logo. And I like the logo. I like the size of it. I kind of just wish it pulled off. I don't know why, but I feel like I wish this pulled off and it had another logo under there. They go your classic blue air bubble. If you don't know, in his later careers, Penny played for a lot of teams, but everyone knows him from the Orlando Magics, and that's Orlando Magic blue in the back. As I told you, this swoosh here rips off, and under there you got that nice Orlando Magic blue and black. You kind of don't need a swoosh. This kind of brings your sneaker out way more than the swoosh. Now let me know in the comment section, man. Swoosh or no swoosh? I'm team no swoosh right now. Only because that blue and black gives you everything. The blue at the bottom, sole, the black at the top. It just gives you that Orlando Magic vibes when they were like really relevant. Look at the blue. Crazy, man. Your nostalgia shoelaces, man. All black. Take the paper out. And the insoles is the same insoles that we seen on the box with the fox jump over, the lazy dog, and the Nike Social Status joints there. Bottom of the shoe has a translucent blue look, large blue swoosh, and boom, you get that same logo in or design that you get when you pull a swoosh off here. It's back there at the bottom in a nice mirror translucent look. Both shoes are the same inside and outside, front to back. They both have the Social Status logo on the back. Both has the penny on here. Both has the same swoosh. So they come the same way. But you know, if you want to change these swooshes out, you can. But like I told you, man, I'm a fan of Team No Swoosh with this sneaker. Besides all these swooshes that you could switch, in the box you also get every color shoelace to match that swoosh. So you have orange, yellow, red, white, and green. It's wild, man. Whole bunch of shoelaces. Sort of like the Polaroid Nike SB Dunks. I haven't gave y'all that review. I still don't know how I feel about that sneaker. But it came with a whole bunch of shoelaces, just like this. So like I said, guys, Social Status, they started off hard, man. They started off with a Rocky one with the Jordan 6 with the pony here. I mean, I understood why they did the purple and the black Charlotte. I get it. But they've been stepping up lately. The free lunch dunks were dope. And this is a classic shoe. There's no way you can mess this shoe up. And they didn't even try to mess it up. They did do the swooshes for the different sports joints. But honestly, without the swoosh, if they just left it blue or gave us that blue swoosh design that's under the real swoosh, I would have been fine with that too, man. But shout out to Penny being one of those basketball players that still got their sneakers ringing. Real quick in the comment section below, let me know what basketball player you think still going to have their sneakers ringing when they retire like Jordan. I mean, LeBron, I can see it. Of course, Kobe, R.I.P. Kobe, he's already doing it. I could see LeBron, but after that, it's hard. I can't really see no one wearing a KD 10 years from now. Maybe Kyrie if he get back right, but let me know, man, in the comment section below. Social Status, pennies, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody get rich.